Good morning, guys. Good morning, online and offline. Online, guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? Online, guys, my voice is clear. Am I okay? All right. Okay, guys. The last class we discuss cucumber. ఉంచేసే అలా ఉంచేసే బాబు అలా ఉంచేసే అలా ఉంచు. Okay. The last class we discuss cucumber. In this cucumber, if you want to create the cucumber framework, we need to create three folders. One is the future file, and second one is the step definition, and the third one is the test runner. If you want to create a Cucumber project, Cucumber plugin is required, Naturals is required, and these are all two plugins and dependencies: Selenium with Java, TestNG, JUnit, and Gherkin and Kobatura. These are all required if you want to create the Cucumber framework. How we are able to create the Cucumber framework? Okay, I will show you. You guys are observe. First of all, we need to create a Maven project. First of all, we need to create a Maven project. And click on next. And here, you guys are observe ABS 9 underscore ABS 9 underscore cucumber, and same thing we are able to provide ABS 9 underscore cucumber. Just we need to click on finish. Once you guys are click on the finish, let's wait some time. The cucumber project will be created successfully. Once the project is created, you need to refresh. We need to refresh the cucumber project. Once you guys are refresh the cucumber project, Maven project, now this is not a cucumber, this is Maven. I need to convert Maven to cucumber. See, you need to extend. Once you guys are extend, you guys are yeah, okay. Once you guys are extend, and you need to open the pom.xml. In this pom.xml, we need to provide dependencies. We need to provide dependencies. How you guys are able to provide the dependencies? Under dependencies, under dependencies, we need to provide the dependency. Okay. Just we need to change. Yeah. Under dependencies, we need to provide the all the dependencies. The first one is the Cucumber JVM. The second one is the Selenium with Java. The third one is the JUnit. Next one is the Gherkin. The next one is the Cucumber JVM. And the next one is the Kobatura. These are all dependencies we need to provide. These are all dependencies we need to provide. Okay. Before add the dependencies. I have some dependencies is there. Uh, so I need to add these dependencies. I have dependencies is there. So I need to add the dependencies, and I got a error. Okay. So now I need to add Selenium Maven repository. Maven repository. We need Selenium with Java. Selenium with Java. And you guys are pick this one, latest one. And you need to add here Control S. See, once you guys are at the dependencies, you need to do the Control S. Why? Because if any mistakes is there, it will be reflected. Okay. So, and after that, we need to get the JUnit. After that, we need to get the JUnit. This is the JUnit. Once you guys are providing the JUnit, Gherkin is there. There is no Gherkin. I need to get the Gherkin. Just we need to get the Gherkin language. See guys, this is the Gherkin. We need to pick latest one. కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు? Yeah, I added everything. All dependencies I added. Now I need to execute, right click, run in Maven click. Now I need to verify the my setup, Cucumber setup. Yeah, build is success. Okay, my build is success. Once build is success, and we need to create a future file. We need to create a future file. First of all, we need to create a future file. Already I discussed yesterday. See guys, if you want to create the Cucumber framework, first we need to create feature. Under the feature, we need to create a feature file. Okay. See, now I will create, you guys are also always the future file, always we need to create inside of the SRC resource. Yes, RC. See guys, here always you need to create SRC test resource. Always the future file we need to create SRC test resource. Okay. Here we need to create the future file. Here you need to create the step definition and the test runner file. Okay. See, now I created Cucumber framework. Once I creating the Cucumber framework, first, we need to create a feature folder. Where we need to create the feature folder? SRC test resource. Here we need to create a feature folder. Once you guys are creating the feature folder and and step definition and test runner, we need to create SRC test Java. Okay. Here we need to create. First of all, I need to create a feature file. folder, future. See guys, I created folder, okay? I created folder. Once I create the folder, on this folder, I need to create a, I need to create a file. See, I need to create a file. On this folder, I need to create a file. One minute, guys. మీరు ఇటు వచ్చేసేయండి లేకపోతే. Okay. See guys, once I create the folder, once I create the folder, on this folder, I need to create a file. I need to create a file. See, once you guys are creating the file, must and should, we need to provide extension. See guys, you guys are observe login underscore sales dot future, login underscore sales dot future. See, this extension is mandatory. Login underscore sales dot future. That extension is mandatory. Okay, future extension is mandatory. Without extension, we are unable to create a future file. Click on finish. Once you guys are click on finish, one symbol, it should be displayed blue color. See, if you guys are getting this color, this type of symbol, your Cucumber project is successfully created. If you guys are getting text file model, something is wrong. So while creating the file, if you are able to get this type of green color symbol, it is successfully, the Cucumber setup is successful. For example, you are unable to get this type of symbol, you are able to get a text file, the Cucumber is not set up properly. Is it clear? Yeah. This is the future file. The next one is the step definition and test runner. SRC test Java is there. SRC test Java is there. We need to create one step definition and test runner. Right click on the SRC test Java. Right click on the SRC test Java. We need to go to new and create a package. Create a package. Once you guys are creating the package, click on finish. And after that, we need to create two classes. The first class is the step definition. The first class is the step definition. And the next class is the test runner. Test runner. We are creating two classes. One is the step definition. The second one is the test runner. Once you guys are creating the step definition and test runner, if you want to write a code, First of all, we need to write future. We need to write future. In this future, we are able to provide future, scenario, and Gherkin language. First of all, I will provide future. This is the future here. Log in the expected application. This is the future. After future, we need to provide scenario. This is the scenario. Future is the login, the expected application. Scenario is the verify Salesforce login. And after that, we need to provide Gherkin language. After that, we need to provide Gherkin language. The first one is the given. The first one is the given. Here, launch the Salesforce application. Launch the Salesforce. Launch the Salesforce application. Given when user when user need to enter your name and password, then okay, then click on Salesforce login. Then click on Salesforce login. See guys, launch the Salesforce application. Okay, when user need to enter username and password, then click on Salesforce login. Okay, now I need to verify the setup. Right click, run as one cucumber future. One cucumber future. See, I was executed. Basically, if you want to write, anything inside of the step definition, must and should, we need to follow the proper way in Cucumber. Okay. What I'm saying in step definition, what I need to provide? In step definition, what I need to provide? What I need to provide in step definition? What we are providing inside of the feature file, as it is that related information we need to map inside of the step definition. If you want to provide anything inside of the step definition, must and should we need to follow the Cucumber instructions. Must and should we need to follow the Cucumber instructions. So in Cucumber, we are able to provide different type of format. For example, you are unable to get you are unable to understand that format, you need to execute the future file. Automatically that format you are able to get. See, this is the format. You need to copy this format and paste it here. You need to format and paste it here. See, import. We need to import the all expected Gherkin language. We need to import the all expected Gherkin language. Once import all the expected Gherkin language, we need to write a code here. How we are able to write a code? You need to remove this one, remove this one, remove this one. Okay. See, whatever you provided inside of the future file, see, whatever you provided inside of the future file, as it is the information you need to map inside of the step definition file. So first of first of all, what is that one? Launch the application. Launch the application. System dot set property, and here we need to provide WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, and here you guys are provide driver path. Copy as path, and after that we got error. Okay, driver equal to new Chrome driver. Driver dot get driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. We need to import we got a error. And go to console, copy, paste, and remove. And here system dot set property, system dot set property, and we need to provide WebDriver, WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. And after that, we need to provide the browser location, copy as path, And here, okay, fine. And here, driver equal to new Chrome driver, new Chrome driver. So I need to create a WebDriver driver, WebDriver driver. And let's wait some time. Just I need to use this one, driver dot manage dot time units dot implicitly wait 10 milliseconds. And here I need to use time unit dot seconds. And after that, you guys are provide driver dot manage window max. This is the process. Launch the application. Once you guys are launch the application, and we need to send the username and password. Okay, so driver dot find element by dot id username dot send keys. We need to provide here let's wait some time thread dot sleep. And after that, we need to provide the password. And once you guys are provide that one, you can apply sleep. And after that, we need to provide dot click. Yeah, add throws declaration. And after that, remove. Okay, login I will provide here. Okay, now it is clear. Is it clear, everybody? Yeah. So this class is constant. This class is constant. Once I creating the data, future related data, and after that I need to go to test runner at the rate first step run with cucumber dot class. Next one, cucumber options. Cucumber options. So first of all, you need to import run with and cucumber option. We need to import run with and cucumber options. See, this is I need to create inside of the test runner file. See, if you want to do the cucumber project, we need two files is mandatory. The first one is the future, second one is the step definition, the third one is the test runner. The third one is the test runner. So future is completed, step definition is completed. Now I want to execute the code. If I want to execute the code, I need to provide run with cucumber.class and cucumber options. Cucumber option. Now, first futures equals to within the double quote. Futures equals to within the double quote. What I need to provide? I said yesterday. What I need to provide? Inside of the futures, we need to provide future file location. This is the future file location. Right click on here, go to property. You need to get this one. And after that, you need to open and you need to provide here. Sorry, it is not copy. So again, right click, properties, copy this one. You guys are need to provide this one. Okay. Once you guys are provide the feature, what I need to do? Glue. Inside of the glue, what I need to provide? I said yesterday, glue. We need to provide step definition, package name. We need to provide step definition, package name. We need to provide step definition, package name. Once you guys are provide step definition, package name, this is enough for that one. If you want to provide a monochrome, that is the readable format. If you want to provide the dry run, the dry run will validate feature file and step definition. If you want to provide the strict, if you want to provide the strict equal to true, in future file, anything is skip in step definition, the strict equal to true able to handle. This is the process. Now I will execute. Run as JUnit test. Okay. Click on JUnit test. We got a error. Strict true. This default will change. We are not using. You can use strict or cucumber options. Strict equal to true. Okay. To support, just I need to use here right click, run as, scenarios 0, 0 steps, futures. Hmm. Glue, right click here, run all the test selected project package source folder. We are not using strict here. See, location, done. Glue, step definition, done. Launch the application. It is also done. S- If we are providing strict equal to true, but it is not executed. We didn't get any error, but it is not executed. Strict equal to true cucumber option step definition. We need to go to verify. Mm. Launch the application Salesforce. Okay. Future file. Basically, this is the process. Just open test runner, right click and run in it. Unsupported class version error. $52. Java version is 1.8. So maybe that is the problem. 1.8. OpenQA Selenium WebDriver has been compiled by more recent version of Java runtime. Class file version 55.0. This version of the Java runtime only recognizes class file up to 52. Oh, okay, maybe Java issue. Browser still we are not providing anything, but browser still it is not launching. Driver dot get. Mm. Login. Okay. So that is the problem. Oh my God. Hmm. Strict. Hmm? No, 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 no. Cucumber not required extension. Ah, 59. Okay. It is support 52. 52. ఎక్కడెంతుంది సెలీనియము with the issue. This is the issue. See the error. Mm, I will remove this one. I will execute. So you guys are observe error. See, this is the error. What is that error? A WebDriver has been compiled more recent version of the Java runtime class file 55. The version of Java runtime recognized 52. Okay, execution runtime is 52, recognized 50, 52. 55 is the compiler, 52 is the recognized. Okay, expected is 55, but actual is 52. So not this cucumber. I will like check everything is we got a error. 55 snapshot. Oh, one. Okay. 1 minute. I will remove this one. We have one more option is there. Right click, properties, Java build path, add externals, Control A, add externals, lib, Control A, apply and close. Control S. Okay. This is, I was using different option. I will execute. Say cucumber option strict equal to true. If you want to write a strict equal to true, we are able to handle that error. Okay. 1 minute. This is the project. So form.xml. Selenium 52 is not support Selenium. This is also 50. That is the issue. Okay. So Java download 11. You guys are able to understand the error. We are using Java 1.8, that is 52. So see here, observe, it is visible. See, Java we are using this one 8. We are installed 8. So that is 52. But we are expecting 55. So 11 is the 55. It is download. It is very important, guys. If you guys are getting any errors, it how you guys are able to resolve that error. You need you if you take it will be take some time, but you need to find the specific error how we are able to resolve. In future, Java 8 is not working in future. So you people also change the Java 8. See, this is the right question. Before this one, we got, yeah, see, this is right question. Someone is asking. We got a error, class file version 55, but recognized class file version is the 52. Error. And once installing, we need to do the restart. It is successfully installed. Close. Restart. Save. Yes, this is your project. Just a minute. It's building setup. Okay, done. Now we need to open test runner, control S. In this time it is execute, that issue is resolved. But we are unable to execute. What is the error we are able to find one more time? Same. We are installed, but still we got. So go to C drive, program files, Java, and JDK 11, copy, right click on this one, this PC, advanced system settings, environment, bin, copy, advanced system settings, environment, path, bin, okay, 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 okay. There is no code mistake, that is not a code related. Um, right click on here. Okay. JC. Just I will check. JRE. Program files, Java 1.8 is there. Configuration. Okay. Rebuilding. Right click. And one more time. Yes. Successful. అంటే సాధిస్తే మజానే వేరుగా ఉంటది. ఆ సెటప్ మామూలు విషయమా? ఎట్లే మిమ్మల్ని పంపించే ముందు సెటప్ చేసి పంపిద్దాం అనుకున్నాను. ఓకే. హ్మ్. మీరు ల్యాబ్‌కెళ్ళండి. So, guys, that is not a code issue. That is the version issue. So, everything we need to change the version. JRE style. See, basically, while creating the project, see, we got a passed. One scenario passed and 3 steps is passed. See, while creating the project here, see, while creating the project, before we have JRE 1.8 is there by default. Now, before we have a JC 17 is there. So we need to change this one. And once I change, if you want to click on finish, once you guys are change the configuration, you need to click on finish. Without click on finish, it is not applicable. See, I was created one project Kaka. See here, I was created one project here. You guys are observe. Here I was created one project. This is setup project. Everything through this project, I set up the existing projects. You guys are able to understand? Before everything is the Java 1.8 projects. So I need to set up everything. I need to modify. How I need to modify? While creating any new project, in this project, I change all the options and click on finish. Automatically, when I change the options, the remaining projects also will be applicable. These changes will apply remaining projects also. Is it clear? Yeah. Before projects also will be applicable. That is the process. Now it is clear, everybody. Okay, I will explain one more time. See, if you want to create the Cucumber project, if you want to create the Cucumber project, we need to create 3 folders. First of all, future. Second one, step definition. Next one, test runner. The future file we need to create under SRC test resource. The future folder we need to create under SRC test resource. And under future folder, we need to create file. Once you guys are creating the file, must and should you need to provide extension is the future. Must and should you need to provide extension is the future. Once you guys are provide the extension is the future. Once you guys are provide the extension is the future, then automatically one green color symbol it will be reflected. Then automatically one green color symbol it will be reflected. Okay. And after that create a step definition and test runner under src test java. Under src test java, see, created 2 classes, step definition and test runner under src test java. Once you guys are create the 2 classes, first one is the step definition. Whatever you provide inside of the future file, as it is, you need to map inside of the step definition. Okay. See, and everything you need to map. If you want to execute this one, you need to go to test runner, run with cucumber.class and cucumber options. Cucumber options. So this is the process. Under cucumber options, we need to provide the futures. We need to provide the glue. The future is the future file location. This file location. The glue is the step definition package name. Is it clear now? It is clear, everybody? Yeah. Now I need to create one more file. Just click on future. The last exam you people are able to get what is the difference between the dry run and monochrome and strict. One question in screening test. Dry run and monochrome and strict. Now here future, the next one is the scenario. The next one is the Gherkin language. See, I was created. Once I create, I need to do the setup. Right click on here. See, you guys are observe in Salesforce, I was using launch the Salesforce application. Okay. So here I was using launch the Amazon application. So common terminology I need to use. What is the terminology? Launch the application. This is the common terminology. Now I need to execute. See, this common terminology I will provide inside of the step definition. So every time I no need to write the launch related code. Every time I no need to write the launch related code. So launch the application. Launch the application. Now I will execute here. Only two methods it should be displayed. Basically here three methods is there. Both are same. So it will be launch. Both are same. Whatever you provided launch, both are same. So I need to change. See, only two methods. Only two methods. These two methods you need to copy and go to step definition. And here we need to provide the two methods and remove. You guys are able to understand or not? Clear or not? Now here enter the data in search bar. Driver dot find element. Driver dot find element by dot id. What I need to send? I need to send something here. Send keys here. Java with Selenium. Let's wait some time. Three dots sleep. 2 millisecond. And after that, what I need to do? Once I enter the data, after that, what I need to do? Yes, driver dot find element by dot id. We need to apply click action. See, basically, I will provide the XPath in public area. Go to Amazon. Right click, inspect, and icon. Okay. So here we need to provide driver dot find element. Wait, everything I need to remove. Driver dot find element. So what is that one? S bar dot send case, and after that same copy and paste it here. Here I need to provide what is there icon dot click dot click. Okay, done. Icons uppercase, yes. Okay, guys. And now I need to go to what I we need to change the URL. So the URL also I will provide inside of the public area. This URL also, okay, I will provide. That's it. See, feature is completed. Step is completed. After that, go to runner. So here what I need to change? Here what I need to change? Feature. Huh? Where I need to pick the file? Yes. Right click on here. Go to properties and copy this one. Control S. Step definition need to change? We no need to change. That is constant. Right click on here. Run in Java. Launch the Amazon. Enter the search. Click on search button. That's it. Hmm? If you guys are provide any data inside of the step definition, okay, the code will be execute future related. Bunch of methods you need to provide under step definition. No problem. Okay. Bunch of data you need to provide inside of the step definition. So for example, here, this is the Salesforce, this is the Amazon. This two future related information is there in step definition. For example, if you want to execute login, just you need to get the location and go to test runner, provide a location, and before execute, you need to change the URL, then execute. Automatically it will be executed. Why? Because existing the data is there. So this is the process. It is clear, everybody? It is clear. So in your missions, you need to change the setups also. If it You guys are use same setup, it is not executed. See, it will be take almost 20 minutes, 20, 15 to 20 minutes. So you guys are need to change the setup. Okay. Once I change the setup, see some projects is completely errors. Before these projects, we got error. When I change the setup, error is not there. Before these are all projects, I got error. Some projects I didn't get any error. See, automatically the error is gone. So that is the main problem, version problem, compiler version problem. Okay, it is clear, everybody? That related notes I will provide. Okay, I am unable to. Okay, if it is time is there, fifth. Okay, I will provide the notes, guys. We don't have a time. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you notes, no problem. Tomorrow I will tell you notes. Huh? See, 4.15. Yeah. No, 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 no. We no need to change anything. Just we need to change control version. See, I no need to change anything. Just I need to change the version before we have Java 52 version. See, I got here. See, it is explained clearly. It is explained clearly. If you want to use the Java 8, we are recognized 52. We need to use Java 11. We are able to recognize the 55. So depends on the version Java, you people are able to download the Java. If you guys are use Java 8, it is not support 9, it is not support 10, it is not support only 11. Depends on your version. Okay. Online guys, is it clear? Any doubt? Online guys, do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Okay guys, thank you. I will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow it is very easy. Why? Because already setup is completed, every setup. So I am able to discuss more concepts in Cucumber and examples and scenario background, scenario outline, retesting, regression testing, how to do everything I will discuss. Okay. Now it is clear today session. You are unable to understand. Okay. You can ask me which is you are unable to understand. Thank you. Bye. Setup. You guys are too fast setup. Cucumber is not a easy. Okay. So you need to do the setup immediately. If you guys are what you people also while executing the Cucumber, you people also getting same like my issue. Today you need to get the link, today link. Based on that link, you need to resolve your issues. How I need to validate, how I need to verify, and how I need to fix the issue. Same like you guys also need to. అర్థమైంది? Okay, done. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.